अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं इस्लामी ममालिक के सुफरा के एजाज़ में दिए गए अफ्तार डिनर से। वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Other Middle Eastern countries, Kuwait, Central Asian Muslim countries, Malaysia, I mean, each and every Muslim country has come to assist us at this very difficult period. And we will remember your support for all times to come. And then, of course, look at what is happening in Palestine. I think hundreds of people have been killed in the last many months. And naked aggression. And the Prime Minister of Palestine and some of his cabinet members have made statements which are beyond imagination. And they have said that they will go to those areas where even United Nations and Security Council have made clear stand and clear statements. But there is no qualms about it. They are showing disdain, and they have crossed the red line. Thank you very much.
वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान इस वक्त अफ्तार डिनर से खिताब कर रहे हैं।